Hey foodies, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the Korean banana milk. So the things that you'll be needing are one ripe banana, half a cup of milk, a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup, half a cup of water, a little bit of vanilla, and a blender. So let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is take your very ripe banana and peel it and then put it into the blender cup. Then you're going to want to add in your half cup of milk, and half a cup of water. Then add in your tablespoon of honey or maple syrup, then your splash of vanilla. You're just gonna wanna eyeball it to see how much vanilla you want in yours. So you only want to do a little bit to make sure it's extra banana-y. And then you're going to want to take it and put it into your blender, but first put on the lid. Very tightly so that it doesn't spill. Then put it in your blender and blend. So I just finished blending it and this is what it looks like. I've never made this before, so hopefully it's okay. But then if you wanted to add in more honey or more milk, whatever you want to add in more of, you should do that now. And then you're going to want to take it, pour it into a cup, and then enjoy. So I just filled my cute cup with ice. And now I'm going to pour in the banana milk that we just made. And then you can enjoy. So I just poured out my milk into a cute cup with some ice and put a straw in it. So now let's try it. It's very refreshing and it's very creamy and perfect for summer. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what other videos you want me to do in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye!